G'day! Down the shed today, we've got a problem with our Ford Focus again. The engine light is on and we've got a fault code of P2008. What I've done so far is just connected my OBD code reader, got the code out of the system, intake manifold runner, control circuit open, bank 1A. Now these are located just underneath this black cover which pops off. And they're just here, next to the transmission dipstick. I'll show you that now. And here we have the intake manifold controllers. Now there's two. What you can do is unplug both and switch them around and see if you get a different fault code after you've cleared it and ran it again. Or I just threw the multimeter on there and just tested across the two terminals to see what resistance I had on each. With the multimeter set on ohms, just tested it. There we have. Just going across the two tangs again. So one there's got no circuit, which would be an open circuit. So the back one must be our bank one. This front one here, we've got a circuit. So that's one way of testing it. All I've done is grab the set off eBay, pretty cheap, 25 bucks. I'll throw them on and see how we go. Now to remove this assembly, I need to disconnect both the plugs, the vacuum lines to both controllers, and there's 4 Torx bits that you'll need to undo, which are these. And that's a T25, goes into there. Now to undo these vacuum lines, they will be a bit stiff. I just got some pointy nose pliers, put on the side of the vacuum hose, just gently wriggle it until you hear it sort of crack, and then gently try and pull it up. And hopefully you don't break them. That one's good so far. The old controller just to the side, you've got the vacuum line like holding retaining clip on the back there. There's a couple of little tangs, just push them in, pops out, swap that over, reinstall. And just for an idea with the new ones, I'll show you. So we've got a circuit there and a circuit there. So we should be good to go. Now with all that back together, I'll just do a little test and we'll start it up, see if it clears the code. Well, after just taking it for a drive, holy dooly, she flies now. I ended up having to clear the fault code. The only thing that come up now is low fuel. Oh, off I go. If this video helps you out, throw us a thumbs up. Otherwise, take it easy.